Welcome to the Creating Conversions tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a conversion on Trackdesk. Before we start, be sure to create a click in the click report. As you can see, I already created one. To open the click details, simply click on a specific row. You will see a list of all the conversion details on the right side. To create a conversion, click the Create Conversion button. Select the conversion type. I have already selected a type called Test with one occurrence. Next, fill in the conversion status field, then complete the additional parameters. Once you are ready, click the Create button. The updated information will appear in the Click Details section with the new parameters you have set. The conversion will also appear in the conversion list. Let's open Conversion Report. You can also create a new conversion by selecting a conversion. Then click Create Conversion button from the side panel. You will notice we no longer have test written because it had one occurrence. Thank you, and check out our tutorials.